What is going on, you guys? I want to keep this real short, just a real quick update on the My Six Figure Blueprint and the marketing system. If you're looking for a way to have an automated business and to be able to receive 100% income using Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, Stripe, then this segment is for you. Stay to the end of the video. I have a special bonus. I'm going to jump right into it. This have just happened over the last couple days of sharing my six-figure blueprint and making actual commissions with the marketing system. It's a one-time payment of $150. You see here, cash route. This is Cash App name, but he's paid for the marketing system. And what I done is took the $25 that goes to admin and $25 for a leverage line. So you also get leverage with this. So every time someone joins with you, you'll make $100, and then you'll be their downline. So that way you'll get paid a $25 leverage commission every time someone that's underneath you make a marketing system sell, which a one-time $150 one-time payment, no more after that. The system is yours for life. You do get resellers right with the system, and it allows you to brand yourself. It comes with 30-day email follow-up, video sales letters, edible I'm hungry, editable capture pages where you can edit these capture pages to market any business opportunity that you're a part of. Or if you just want to get started with the marketing system, you can use the capture pages and the follow-up email to do so with this system. Now, he was an action taker. He took action, and I received this was a $25 payment for someone who's joined in with him with the marketing system, and I received a $25 payment from the leverage line. So you can see how powerful this is. If anybody underneath you, so say you have 10 people underneath you and they sell 10 marketing systems, and that's $25 from each person who sold the marketing system that's coming to you. So let's count that out. 25, 50, that's 100 off of 4 sales. That's 200 off of 8 sales. That's $250 that you could have made if you had 10 people underneath you who are action takers and go-getters. Now, if that's you and you want to join with the My Six Figure Blueprint and get rolling with the marketing system, which is $150 one-time payment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take your link and I'm going to post it under my YouTube video so you get traffic to your link. And I have a traffic rotator with up to 15,000 emails. So I'm going to send your link out to those emails so that way you can start getting traffic today with your My Six Figure Blueprint marketing system. Now, I know I'm talking real fast, but I'm trying to make sure I am, how you say, valuing your time, because time is precious, and I know not everybody have the time to sit and go through a whole 15-20 minute video. But over right, I think right here or down here, yeah, somewhere in one of these corners is going to be another video for you to check out that goes more in depth with My Six Figure Blueprint and shows you more of the back office. Real quick, I can take you through a real quick back office tour. I want to try to keep this short and simple for you guys. So I know, time is precious and a lot of people are busy. What you're going to get with the marketing system, you're going to be able to edit capture pages and view your contacts. For every section, they have a training video on how to use each component of the marketing system, how to set up a bridge page. The bridge page is one of the important pages in a funnel. If you guys don't know what a funnel is, go in the description, go over to the comments, let me know that you would like a tutorial about marketing funnels, and I will get that done for you guys here on Direct Pay Marketing. Thank you for checking out my channel. My name is Corey Norris. And let's keep rolling with the rest of what you'll get when you join with the marketing system. You'll be able to add any third-party autoresponder, GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, those sorts of third-party autoresponders, and you'll be able to create a broadcast message. So for all your leads that you have in your back office, you'll be able to create one message every week to go out to your whole, and I'll say that because however many leads that you get inside of your autoresponder, and it's unlimited capture leads, you guys, unlimited. Other autoresponders do have free trials that you can take, but you can only go up to 2,500 captures, lead captures. Some of them is 500. Do your homework, research them. But with this, you're going to get unlimited lead captures with the marketing system. It also comes with a QR code creator. So you'll be able to upload any Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, a cell phone number, or any other URL and create a QR code with the URL. And it has a URL shortener, just like Bitly and the other URL shorteners that's out there in the market. You get yours for 100% free. Don't have to worry about paying for other add-ons to be able to make your business run smoothly. Now that's what you'll get when it comes inside of the marketing system. Here over in the dashboard, and they give you a broadcast up here to let you know what's going on within the system, any changes or anything of that, which is pretty cool. You'll get a whole overall video on what each tab is, how to work it, how to set up your payment processors, and how to use the system as a whole. So you'll have your profile where you come in, add your picture, and those things of those sorts. Your system referrals, so every person that goes through your capture page, you can click here and see how many referrals you came into today. Your commissions tab, your my links, and a traffic rotary, which I was talking about, that I'll be able to send your link out throughout the whole system of my system of abundance of email captures that I've been placed inside of there. I've been doing this for over 3 years now. And I'm so happy to bring this marketing system to you, because when I first started out, having the ability to have all the marketing systems in one was not there. And as a beginner, you're going to spend for one system to connect to another system to start another system. So this is a perfect platform for someone who's starting out in the business, or if you want to make 100% commissions directly to you. And I'll just go over through the links real quick. My pages are the pages that you would edit, so that way you can you'll be able to promote other businesses. You have a lead magnet funnel, the 6-figure blueprint sales pages, where you're gonna get up to 16 of these capture pages that you can totally edit these pages and make them your own to promote any other opportunity. Bridge pages that you can edit and make it your own, and a new multi-stream system that they put in the back, so that way if you have other opportunities, you'll be able to promote all your opportunities on one platform in one spot. So that's about wrap it up with the inside of my 6-figure blueprint. I have the link in the description below if you want to catch the 4-minute video that shows you how you can bank instant payments of $300. And again, if you guys hear my baby in the background, I am an at-home dad, and this is what I do 24/7 from home. And if you like to learn how to work from home, please contact me through Facebook. I have my information down in the description if you want to get started with this today. And that'll be my segment for an update for my 6-figure blueprint, the marketing system. If this is something that you are totally interested in, hit the link, go over to the 4-minute video, get more information, and let's get rocking. I'll see you guys on the inside.